Hey everyone, another day of work, another day of Black Friday orders, another day of my husband working, another day of snow. And the really exciting thing today is my new desk is getting delivered. I don't know when I'm going to be able to put this together. I'm hoping it's this weekend, and fingers crossed that my husband will also help me. Hopefully. I might have a chance to do it sooner, but my whole desk, like my current desk, is full of Black Friday orders, my work laptop, my business laptop, my monitor. So like at the same time, I'm just like, I don't know if it's a good idea to mess everything up just to put a new desk together. So we'll have to see if that's gonna happen today or not. I do want to do some Christmas decorating today. However, like I mentioned, it is currently snowing. It's not a bad snow by any means, but we'll see if I can do it. The girls also have a grooming appointment today, so it's a pretty jam-packed day. I also have to ride my Peloton so that I meet our challenge of riding 40 days in the last 2 months. I took a couple too many days off in November, so I have to kind of finish out the year really strong. So that's all the things going on today. I will bring you along for the ride. My burns are scabbing, so that's good. I still can't believe I did that. I don't know how many times I've made bacon in my life, but more often than not, I usually put it in the oven for like 20 minutes, and that just gets the perfect level of crisp. You just put it flat on a pan, you put some aluminum foil, and then you line up the bacon, and then it just cooks perfectly. But I pan fried it because we have some stuff in the oven right now, and I was too lazy to take it out. So I guess that's on me. But yeah, that's all the things going on today. Fingers crossed I'll get to it all. Hopefully, if not the outside, because that's what I was going to decorate for Christmas, I am hoping to at least do the Christmas tree today. So fingers crossed. Okay, yet again, while machines are going in the background, let's go ahead and open up day 9. Am I on the right day? Actually, I think I'm a day behind. Okay. Snoop, Snoop, Severus Snoop, 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 Severus Snoop, Dumbledore. Okay. Oh no, okay. Well. Okay. I didn't think it was possible to get more boxes in my office right now, but here they are. There was an issue during transit, so a couple of these pieces broke, so I just have to contact IKEA. But the most important part, the actual desktop, is safe. So I think actually what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unwrap the top of the desk and put it on top of my current desk, because that will give me more room, and then I can build the drawers in the meantime and then just slide it under and then slide this out. I think it'll all work, but I do need more space. So I think I'm just going to clear off the desktop, put the new desk on top of it, and then work from there, and then try to get to it this weekend. And especially because I have to contact IKEA anyways. It looks like it was just like the front of the drawers for the Alex drawers that got broken. And it's just like the corners because it fell during transit. So overall, I think it'll be just fine. I need more space while I'm working on all this stuff. So I'm going to clear it off and then get to work. So I did exactly as I said. I just put this on top of my existing desk, and there, you know, my desk is enough of a flat surface that it's not going to go anywhere. But oh my God, the amount of space on this desk. And this is why I specifically wanted this desk. I looked high and low because IKEA was not doing a lot of shipping for this desk or for a lot of their products because of the coronavirus. So I was having a hell of a time trying to figure out what I was going to do for a desk because I knew I needed more space up and down. But I could not, for the life of me, find a desk. Oh, well, now it doesn't want to zoom. Okay. I couldn't find a desk that had that level of depth. And there's just so much space on this. It is actually blowing my mind right now. How will I keep a white surface clean? I don't know. I just really don't know. But the level of depth is awesome. And I'm really happy about it. I mean, I wouldn't be able to keep any surface clean. I'm probably going to put something over this at some point. That's basically what I do when I film, is I have this, and like when I take pictures, and I bring this out when I want to take a picture, and then I put it back away when I don't. So that's currently what I do. Sorry to ruin the YouTube magic, but that's usually what I do. So right now, white's very clean, very weird, but I'm thrilled with the amount of space I have on this desk now.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen, catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Is that sometimes, for the first time, there might be an empty chair. I know that's been a part of my journey this year. It's been a part of a lot of our journeys this year. And so we're going to climb in honor of the empty chairs.